Okay, check out all of these beautiful brand new Ginger paintings we have. These were made by Ginger, our beautiful Burmese Python. And I have Scaly power of attorney, I'm her Scaly proxy, so she allowed me to sign Love Ginger 2023 on there. And these are on little mini canvases. And we give those with a little mini easel as well. So you have a one-of-a-kind piece of animal art by Ginger and a little tail print from her. And we have a nonprofit organization, Scaly Adventures, through Boundless Limits International, 501c3 nonprofit. And you can give a donation of $20 or more and receive a Ginger painting in the mail along with an easel. This is for the United States right now only, but if you love Ginger as much as we do and you want a beautiful memory with a colorful little tail painting and your own one-of-a-kind piece of animal art from her, you can visit our website, scalyadventures.com, and there's payments and donations tab, and you can make a donation through your credit card or PayPal and just put in the notes that you want a Ginger painting, and we will mail that out to you in the United States. Ginger says she loves you. These are super special and so pretty. Thanks for checking them out, and thank you for your support of Scaly Adventures and all the work we do for youth mental health, first aid, for suicide prevention, for anti-bullying, for positive character education in schools, and the positive messages about resiliency, overcoming fear, following your dreams, pursuing your passions, and much more. We're excited what the new school year holds for 2023, 2024, and for doing more and more and reaching more and more as much as we can. Thanks so much for your support.